Hi guys, welcome to another episode of To Go To. Like I said earlier on, we'll be going to different places, and today my friends and I have decided that we are having lunch at the Roan restaurant. This is an amazing place, so have a look.
So this is hubble. That is hubble. It's actually nice. I think it has some pumpkin.
Which one, that one?
Yeah. It has some pumpkin.
So today, my friends and I decided that we are trying something different. We wanted to do a full course meal for lunch. You see, normally we just order food, like the main meal, that is. We don't really go through the starter, the main meal, and then the dessert. So we were like, you know what, how about we just try the full course meal and see how it goes.
Here we have pork ribs with potato wedges and some vegetable and salad, and then there is a green sauce which consists of herbs. The next one we have fish, tilapia, with kale, garlic, and then there we have
Chicken.
kuku kienyeji,
Yes.
some vegetable, the green herbs, and we have vegetable rice and the salad. We're just trying to use the local ingredients that we have to prepare this.
Alright, thank you. This is amazing.
Hi, welcome to Roan Restaurant. My name is Steve. I'm the head barman. At this time of the day, as you're having your meal, I can suggest you one of our best cocktails, the Fresh Idea. The Fresh Idea is a gin-based cocktail. It has this refreshing feeling because it's made of cucumber.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
Well, so lunch has been amazing, pretty amazing, but the day's gone down because tonight we're going to be having an amazing experience at the Roan restaurant because I want to show you how it happens tonight with DJ
I can fly.